Hey everyone, Carlos over at bearbulltraders.com. Here's my recap for today. I had a really good day on 3 trades, actually 2 trades. This was more, PED was more of a test trade on a low flow stock. Just a very small 100 shares to test the volume and see if we can catch ABCD pattern. But on DERM, I had a really good trade, even after being stopped out twice, and we'll go over the details. So right at the open, it started selling off, and then you had this nice pullback, which is what I like to look for to get in, and then ride the momentum towards the previous day close or any other levels we have. I got in right at 9:35. The stock did do a nice drop the minute I got in. I took some profits out, but then it pulled back to my entry point, so I got stopped out and got out for break even, or a little bit of a loss here. Then again, it started selling off again. I got in, and then immediately just sold right back up, so I got stopped out of this moving average. It went up to the next moving average, and then from here it bounced off a little bit, and then again on this next candle it bounced off again. It just seemed very weak, so I got in one more time with my stop loss being at the VWAP. The minute I got in, the next candle we had this great drop. I was able to take profits right at the bottom of it, but then we had this selling pressure that came right in, buying pressure that came right in and brought the price right back to my entry point. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, I should get out, but you know what? There's a lot of bids down here. This thing looks very bearish, so I'm just gonna wait a second, see what happens, and I'm gonna keep my stop loss at my original VWAP. It did just that. It held there for a few seconds. The next candle before this sell-off, it also held here for a few seconds, and then that's when it started selling off. And then as usual, as it starts selling off, I start taking profits off the table. I took some here, and once I had this candle, it seemed like it was somewhat of a reversal, so I just took the rest out. But overall, if I would have held a little more, this thing went almost all the way down to test the previous day close. So it was a real nice trade, really clean, really open. One of the things that I admire about Andrew is that he's able to get stopped out once or twice and still see a good risk to reward, and this is what it was here. In some cases, once I take the first trade, I usually don't take the next one if I get stopped out, because I'm just don't have the confidence, or I'm afraid that's going to continue to go against me. In this case, I didn't, and it turned out to be a great payoff. So that's all, guys. Hope everyone had a great day today, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you all Monday. Thanks for watching.